the product that you guys have, it's a spray product, right? So you're spraying CBD basically on the body. Is that the best way to actually apply CBD? Because a lot of people, like, they either chew, or there's different ways to apply CBD right into the product, into the body.
Yeah, and that's an excellent question, and it's something that's discussed a lot. Now, what we've learned about CBD and the endocannabinoid system, which is a long-winded lesson, we could do a whole other episode on just that. But we do see that, the CBD has a holistic effect, right? We have pain patients all the time that take CBD for a certain pain, but all of a sudden they're sleeping better. All of a sudden they have less stress, so it is that kind of holistic healing. So to that extent, CBD is more effective when ingested, either sublingually, or there's water soluble capsules. Topically, it's effective when, depending on what you're targeting. If you're targeting joint pain or a certain muscle pain, it's effective. But for that holistic healing, that ingestible CBD does well. It is important to always qualify your source. You want to make sure you're going with a company that has data, has the certificate of analysis that can tell you how the product was formulated. And then also it's important to know absorption rates. So, all the popular gummies and food items and edibles of CBD, for the most part, they actually have a less than 10% absorption rate. So it's important to remember that not everything is, if you see 25 milligrams on the label, that doesn't mean you're getting the full 25. That's why sublingual oils have taken off. You take them under the tongue, and we get about a 35% absorption there, 30 to 35, depending on the brand you're using. And then now we're seeing a huge influx of water soluble CBD. That actually has a lot of data, again, qualifying your source, where it's showing 4x absorption in the intestine. So, you really have to qualify your source. It depends on what you're looking for. Of course, me being in the industry, I have my parents on it. I have my family on it, just taking the daily as a daily supplement, because where I've seen the most effective data on CBD is targeting inflammation throughout the body. And as you probably know, inflammation is the foundation of many disease states beyond just pain. Autoimmune diseases like Crohn's, colitis, psoriasis, arthritis, all start with that inflammation. So if you can add CBD in a safe manner and take it every day ingested, you're going to lead to better health and wellness outcomes in the long run.